okay, it's okay. We have more. Don't worry. Place this then. Place it like this. Like this. Yes. And now press it with your finger. Whoa. Oh, we need to paste it. Okay, now. Let's put the cup liner. Cupcake liner.
Cupcake line.
Wow. This is the cupcake liner. Yes. Let's put it as a flower. Paste. Can you see the glue? Paste it like this. Yes. And paste it with your, press it with your two fingers. Yes. Here we go. And now we are going to sprinkle this. See? See the pencil shavings are here. Wow. So much colorful. Come on. Sprinkle it. Woo! Sprinkle more. Sprinkle more.
Few more.
Okay, and then after sprinkling it, give me your two fingers, give me your hand. Yes. Press it. Press. 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 Yes. Now we are going to put the excess one back. Yes? Leaves or without leaves? Two leaves?
What do you want? With leaves or without leaves? Okay, with leaves.
With leaves? And how?
Khushi.
Press. It's okay. It's okay.
Oh.
Now you want a leaf here? Yes? Wow! Cool! And what's your name?
What's your Khushi?
Khushi.
Khushi.
How much your daddy or mama?
Hmm.